guys, welcome back to my channel and came here. So today we're wearing a beautiful wig from ULAHAIR. So this is a package the unit came in. Let's do a bit of unboxing before we go right into the video. We have a take home, an elastic band. Wow, we have this gorgeous bow tie egg clip, headband, really nice. We have a head bonnet. So we have this nice head bonnet, customized ULAHAIR. We have a wig cap. This. Also, we have this instruction booklet that contains how to wash your hair, the do's and don'ts, what to do to your hair. And yeah guys, this is the half wig. This is the construction of the half wig, guys. Okay, this is the cap. It has lots of combs in it. Okay, this will give you a lot of security when you wear this wig. Okay, and the gorgeous part of this wig construction is this drawstring that it has here. You guys take a look at this. With this you can style this wig in different gorgeous ways, guys. Okay, and you guys look at this cap. Look at the way this cap is. Okay, with this you can just put your hand and scratch your hair if you want to. Like, this cap construction is amazing and the coils are so gorgeous. This hair is from ULAHAIR, like I said before, and you guys know that their quality is top notch. This is in length 20 and it is so gorgeous, guys. Okay, the hair is beautiful. Now we're going to be styling this hair in this video also, guys. Like always, okay, you guys know I'm going to leave the details to this gorgeous hair for you guys in the description box, so you guys don't miss that on anything. Okay, always do that here. So I'm going to leave the details to this unit, including my discount code, in my description box for you guys. So let's get right into styling this gorgeous unit here. So I'm just going to try this on for you guys. This is straight from the pack. Nothing has been done to this hair yet. I'm just going to try this on so that you guys will see how it fits.
And if we didn't have to turn around, if you told me not to make a sound and I hide in you, we'll take flight. When we make it to the other side and the smoke is heavy in our eyes, I'm still finding you. We'll be fine. The river always finds a way.
See, look at what we have. Okay, with just the hair, we're looking this gorgeous already. Can you guys see that? This is so beautiful. So let's get right into defining the coils of this hair and styling this hair properly. Okay, I'm going to do different styles for you guys. I'm going to bring out my hair in some, and then we'll do a ponytail, of course, because this hair has drawstring. So let's make use of it. All right, I'm going to go ahead to define the coils of this unit using my brush, my detangling brush, foamy mush, and water. Okay.
Yeah, the river always finds a way. The river always finds a way. Oh, the river always finds a way.
This is how gorgeous this unit is looking on me right now. Okay, you guys can see how beautiful the coils are, and this side part it is giving, you guys. Okay, let's go back to the next one. Okay, I'm going to be styling it with this band that was sent to me. So let's see how it looks like with this band.
And if we didn't have to turn around, if you told me not to make a sound and I hide in you, we'll take flight. When
Like,
we
I don't even know the style to pick at this point because all the styles that I did in this video are just giving, okay? Like, they are all so beautiful, and I love how each style turn out. Okay, let me know in the comment section which of the styles is your favorite in this video. Okay, just leave that in the comment section. So right now we're doing the ponytail. Okay, I'm just taking my hair up, and then I'm going to wear the wig. When I tell you guys that this wig is definitely a must have, trust me, it is a must have. Like I said before, you can use my code Jeffrey to save $15 and get everything I got. Okay, like everything I showed you guys in this video, and get same package that I have. Okay, now this is how gorgeous the ponytail is looking on me right now. See that? It is beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to accessorize this hair with this bow tie hair clip. See, this bow tie just changed the game. Like, it changed the whole look. It took this look from 50 to 100. Like, it is giving a 10 over 10. You guys. For the last style I'm doing, I'm going to take a section of my hair at the front and braid it. Okay, I did not add any extension to it, just braid it and wear the wig. Same way I've been wearing it in the previous styles. Just use a comb and the drawstring to secure it, and we're good to go. All right, that's what I'm doing in this last style. Now, let me know in the comment section, guys, which of the styles you prefer, because all the styles are definitely a 10 over 10. I can't even choose. Now, this is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Again, this wig is from ULAHAIR, link in description box. I will see you all in my next video.